Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking ABC. Today we are going to make aloo keema or potato mince. So for that, first of all, I have taken half cup of oil in a deep pan or wok. We will take two medium onions and roughly chop them and then add into oil. When onions starts getting golden brown and they get little soft or tender, then we will add crushed coriander seeds and crushed cumin, both of them 1 tablespoon. Just crush them and then add them into the oil and onions mixture. Fry them a little bit, then add ginger garlic paste, which is 2 tablespoons, and again fry it until it gets golden and it starts giving its aroma. So I have fried it a little bit and now it's time to add beef mince. I have taken 300 grams of mince here. You can easily double up the recipe if you want to. If you are using fresh beef mince, then you can directly fry it until it changes its color. Then we will add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, crushed chili flakes 1 teaspoon, and turmeric 1/2 teaspoon. Now add 2 chopped green chilies. Again, it depends on your taste. If you want to have more spicy dish, then you can add more chilies. So then add 250 grams of potatoes. I have cut them in cubes. After frying the potatoes, add the peeled and chopped tomatoes and again fry them. Here I have added almost 300 grams of peeled and chopped tomatoes. Put the lid on until tomatoes are tendered and you can see they are no longer holding their shape. Now add 2 green chilies, slit open, and then add a 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Again put the lid on and turn the flame off. After 2 to 3 minutes the oil will get separated and you can see the vibrant colors of green chilies and potatoes and mince. So our potato mince mixture or aloo keema is ready. You can serve it with hot chapatis or naans. So keep coming back to our channel for more recipes. Thank you.